My name is Mark Berthelot. I'm the used car manager at Russ Darrow Kia in the beautiful city of Wauwatosa. I'm here today to talk to you about the Certified Pre-Owned program for Kia. The simplest way to express the Certified Pre-Owned vehicle is, number one, it only comes from a Kia dealership. If you buy a Kia from any other place than a Kia dealership, the CPO does not apply. The wonderful thing about the CPO is the normal warranty for a new Kia is 5 years or 60,000 miles with a 10-year or 100,000 mile powertrain. The 10-year or 100,000 mile powertrain falls off with the first owner, which we are allowed to reinstate, if you will, on a certified pre-owned car. So you get one of the best warranty packages in the business. Second of all, you actually get more warranty on most certified Kias than some other brands' new cars have brand new. The nice thing about the Kia Certified program is simply this. I could waste a lot of time telling you everything that's covered. It's easier to tell you what's not covered. On the powertrain, it's the internal lubricated parts of the engine and transmission. They're covered against catastrophic failure. So the big expensive items, the engine and the transmission, internal failure, covered 100%. You have the remainder of the 5-year or 60,000 mile comprehensive warranty, which covers everything except wearable items or maintenance items. The only thing that's not covered after 36 months on a CPO car or 3 years is the radio head and the engine battery. The good thing about the CPO program is for the first 12 months or 12,000 miles of your ownership from the day that you buy it, those two items are also covered. That's a wonderful program because radio head is a very expensive piece of equipment, if you will. We also offer something that's called a wrap warranty. This is something that we attach to the certified program to extend that 60,000 mile comprehensive up to the 100,000 mile. So you'll have the full coverage for the powertrain through Kia, and with the added wrap, you're fully protected up to 100,000 miles. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to call in at Russ Darrow Kia Wauwatosa, and one of my skilled professionals will be able to enlighten you more on the CPO program.